think you know can and can't?
This real-life English survey reveals how native speakers truly use these essential verbs in everyday situations.
Hello. My name is Interviewer.
I am studying English.
I am doing a small survey for my class. It is about can and can't.
Can you please answer some questions?
Oh, sure. Yes, I can help you.
I have time now. English questions are good.
They are easier than math.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Let's start with a simple question. Okay, first question.
Can you speak more than one language? Yes, I can speak English, of course. I can also speak a little Spanish, but I can't speak Spanish perfectly.
I can understand simple talks.
People must speak slowly. But I can't understand fast movies or very hard talks.
So I can speak another language, yes, but I can't say I am very good at it.
I can speak a little Spanish.
I can't speak it perfectly.
Can you remember a time when you couldn't speak Spanish at all? No Spanish?
Yes, I can remember that. Very clear.
In the beginning, I couldn't say simple sentences.
I couldn't understand people.
And I couldn't say many words well. But with time, I learned. I learned that I can get better. I can improve. I need to practice every day. I still can't speak Spanish like a native person, but I can talk to people. I can communicate.
That is good enough for daily life.
All right, now let's talk about skills. Can you cook food? Yes, I can cook. But it depends on the food. I can cook simple meals, like pasta, rice, and eggs. Also, some basic meat dishes. I can't cook very fancy food, and I can't bake cakes or desserts.
For cooking, I can follow easy recipes.
But I can't invent new food. I can cook simple food. I can't cook hard food.
I see.
So, can you cook every day if you need to?
Yes, I can cook every day if I need to.
But I can't say I like cooking every day.
Some days I am very tired.
And I can't find the energy to cook. On those days, I can order food, or I can eat something very simple. So, yes, I can cook daily, but I can't always cook with a good feeling. Now, let's talk about things you can do or can't do. Can you travel whenever you want? Not really.
I can travel sometimes.
But I can't travel whenever I want.
I can travel when I have vacation days, money, and time.
I can't just leave my job. I can't travel freely. So, traveling is possible for me. But it has limits. I can plan trips. But I can't just go at any time. I understand. And can you travel to another country this year? I think I can travel to another country this year. If everything is good, if my work schedule allows it, and if I save enough money, then yes, I can travel. But if something bad happens, then I can't say yes for sure. So I think it is possible. But it is not 100% sure.
Now, I want to ask about permission.
About rules.
Can you use your phone at work?
That depends. I can use my phone during breaks or when there is an emergency.
But I can't use it all the time. I can't check social media when I am working.
This is not allowed. My boss says no.
So, yes, I can use my phone, but only with rules. I see.
And can you listen to music when you work?
Yes, I can listen to music, but only with headphones.
I can't play music loudly because it can bother my coworkers. Music helps me think.
So I can work better when I listen quietly.
But again, I can't do everything I want.
There are rules. And what is something you can't do, even if you want to? I can't sleep late during the week, even if I want to.
I can't ignore my work.
I can't stay up all night watching movies because I must wake up early for work.
Sometimes I want to rest more.
But I can't.
Life has things I must do.
That is the truth. Yes, you are right.
Tell me, can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive.
But I can't drive very far. If the distance is too long, I get tired.
I can drive in the city easily.
But I can't drive for many hours. I need to stop. Also, I can't drive if I am very tired or if I am stressed. Safety is very important.
Yes, of course. But can you drive anywhere you want? No, I can't drive anywhere I want. I can't drive into special areas.
And I can't park my car anywhere I want. There are rules, signs, and laws. If I don't follow them, I can get a fine.
Or I can have problems.
So driving is about ability. But it is also about permission.
Now, a more personal question. Can you change your life easily?
I can change my life.
But I can't do it easily or quickly. I can change my habits, my job, or my routine.
But it needs time and effort.
I can't think big changes will happen in one night.
Many people think they can change everything in one day.
But they can't. Real change is slow.
All right.
And can you learn new skills now, at your age? Yes, I can learn new skills. Even now. My age is not the problem. The real problem is my way of thinking. I can learn if I am patient and consistent. I can't learn if I stop too fast. Or if I think it is not possible.
So, learning is always possible.
But a good mind is important.
Oh, I like this question.
Can you speak English perfectly? Honestly, I can improve my English, but I can't speak it perfectly. And that is okay. I can talk to people. I can understand. And I can say my ideas. I can't be perfect. And I don't need to be perfect.
It is not needed for talking with others.
Last question. What is something you can do now that you couldn't do before? I can say no now. Before,
I couldn't say no to people.
I couldn't make clear limits.
But now I can protect my time and my energy. I can choose what I say yes to
And what I can't accept?
And that is wonderful. That is a very good answer. Thank you so much for your time. This helps me understand how to use can and can't in real life.
You are welcome. And remember this: English is not just about grammar rules.
It is about real situations. When you understand what you can do
And what you can't do in your life. Using can and can't becomes very natural.
it becomes easy.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
What can and can't you do in your life?
Share your own experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to White Eagle for more practical English lessons.